Zizi is such a little angel. Zizi is here with her little bud, Sophie. Oh, Sophie, you're not in your pink bed for once. Sophie, did you move down a little bit? Did you move down? Are you checking out the lower levels of the situation? I just bribed Sophie into loving me with little baby food. Not that she didn't love me anyway. She's super sweet. Oh, hi, Zizi. Want to have that? Get in her little bed. Oh, she ate it all. So I'm sorry. I'll get you some too. What you doing, Sophers? You good girl, right? Sophie is my little buddy. I love her. I'm going to pet you with your tail. Oh, look, it's the sweetest thing ever. Oh, you're going to come in for some play action, are you, Zizi? I got you. Ready to go. Oh, you're ruining my video, girl. So this is Zizi and Sophie, who are for adoption together. Their mama died, their human mama, so we have taken them to try to help them find a home. And this is their fine king suite at Kitty Charm School. And they have playrooms and sunny spots to go and all sorts of stuff, but this is their little private zone. And they are the best of friends, and 95% of the time they're up in the skybox together or in the little pink bed together. This is one of the first times I've seen them separate, actually. They really like each other, and they're so loving, and they're going to make somebody the greatest home ever. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? You want to say so, right? Oh, if you say so. Where are you going? Oh, you're so smart. What about you? You want to say so? Yes. Yes, she does. Oh, you're so pretty. You are such a good kitty. Oh, yeah, show them how it works. Go on up. Come on, Zizi. Show them how it works. Come on, hurry before it ends. You gonna show them how it works, Zizi? Well, if she showed you how it works, she'd be up there. Come on, Zizi. Oh, herding cats. You kitties need some training. Kitty Mail.